Hey, I just want to jump on and do a tutorial with these kimchi products I got from the TikTok shop. I got a palette. This is the Kimchi Donut Collection Rainbow Sprinkle palette. This palette really drew my attention, especially this green over here. It's so pretty, and the glitters and shimmers swatch so beautifully. Then I got a blush. This is called Thaler Blush in Pinky Rose. Looks like this. And then this highlighter you've all probably seen. It's called Pearl Gone Wild in Hope. This is the highlighter that kind of went viral on TikTok. And then I also got a lippy, which is going to be hard to match and make a look that looks flattering, but I really wanted a purple lipstick, so we're going to try. I'm going to start with this hot pink right here. And put that on the outside of my eyes. I love that it has a mirror. I'm going to peel off the sticker right now. Just going to wipe off my brush. And then I'm going to blend out those edges with this pink shade right here. Just to give it more of a cohesive look. I'm going to take this light pink a little into my inner corner. I'm going to incorporate this purple somehow. I'm just going to dip right in, and I'm going to put it right next to that hot pink. It has a lot of shimmers in here. I just want to show you some of these. Here's a purple one. Pressed glitters too, which I know not everybody loves pressed glitters, but I love them. Here's the blue shade. I'm not going to put any glitter primer or anything on. I'm just going to see how this applies as is. I honestly like to take my shimmers and just put them on my finger and pat them on. I think that gets the most pigment and it's really easy. And I'm going to try some of that purple too. I'm not going to clean off my brush. I'm just going to dip it right into this purple and blend in that purple and blue together. And for my lower lash line, I really want to try this green. This green or this one. Let me see. I think I have to go with the more bluer one, even though I will be trying that neon green. I think it might not fit the vibe. I'm gonna go with this one. The other one's a little too pinky. I want a cool toned glitter. I'm just gonna press that right over here. I didn't use any glitter primer. I just want to see how these work on their own. I'm going to put a little bit on my finger. That's so pretty. And for no glitter primer, that stuck so well. That's the only shade that had a little bit of fallout, and that's to be expected with a pressed glitter. They are kind of a mess no matter what brand you get. There's definitely green, blue, purple, pink. It's almost a rainbow cool toned glitter. It's really pretty. A little bit of that underneath too. Right here. I'm gonna mix these two colors together. Oh, it's a lot of powder. I love a good peach blush. They do seem very buildable where you can also do just a wash of color, but I'm very heavy-handed with my blush because I want it to be pigmented. I'm like super excited for this highlight. So it looks like this, and I'm just gonna put it on right with my finger. So we're just gonna put that on my cheek right here. I get why this went viral. And it doesn't leave a cast on my skin either. It just looks really glowy. Next is the thing that could make or break this look, because as of now I really like it, and this lipstick is in the shade To the Gods. I love a purple lipstick. I just don't know if I'd wear this many colors on my eyes with a purple lipstick. I'm going to put another coat on just to be safe. And here's the final look. So I added some lashes, some liner, some rhinestones, and I did add a little bit of the glitter and shimmer to my lips just to tie everything together. I think this looks so pretty. The highlighter, the shadows, these products worked so well. These shadows, for being so bright, really blended well while keeping their pigment, and I love the glitters. I think this pressed glitter is so pretty and dimensional, and this highlight, I get why it went viral now. If I can open it again, I get it. Like, just look at my skin. It's like glass skin. Let me know what you guys thought of these products, and if you want to see any other looks with this palette, I'm really eager to dig into this neon green right here and some of the other shimmers, because this look was so easy.